Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy, where today we are directing your attention to a filing that was signed and docketed April 28th, 2023, in the matter styled as Idaho versus Koberger, and it is a notice of hearing. On that date, notice was given that the motion entitled the Gongalves Motion to Appeal, Amend, and or Clarify the Amended Non-Dissemination Order was being set for a live hearing at the Latah County Courthouse. You will recall that prior hearings at times were held over Zoom. Other hearings, like Mr. Koberger's first appearance, was live in the courtroom. So this hearing is going to be live in the courtroom. Everyone will be appearing there. It is set for May 25th, 2023, beginning at 10 a.m. before Judge Megan Marshall. And it's signed by the Deputy Clerk of Court. So what is this all about? In order to get some background on this motion and why it is being set for hearing May 25th, 2023, please review episodes 32 and episode 40. Episode 32 is our podcast where we addressed the Gongalves family's motion to appeal, amend, and or clarify the amended non-dissemination order that was signed and filed by their private attorney, Shannon Gray. This has to do with, for all intents and purposes, the gag order, the amended non-dissemination order that's been in place in this case. And the Gongalves family, of course, is the family of one of the victims at 1122 King Road. Their daughter and sister, Kaylee Gongalves, was murdered on April 13th, 2022, that day. So they filed this motion. We've talked about it in episode 32. In episode 40, we addressed Judge Marshall's filing of that date, where she stated that the hearing would not be set until a matter that was then pending in the Idaho Supreme Court that had been filed by the Associated Press et al., meaning that there were other members of the press that joined in with the AP, addressing this non-dissemination order, this amended non-dissemination order, and asking the Supreme Court to grant relief. And if you listen to episode 40, you can learn more information regarding the Supreme Court case. Judge Marshall, as we covered in episode 40, stated that until the Supreme Court rendered a ruling, because it also related to the amended non-dissemination order, which the Gongalves family was seeking relief from, that a hearing would not be set on the Gongalves family's motion until the Idaho Supreme Court ruled in the AP case. As you can imagine, because by April 28th, 2023, the hearing is now set, that there was a ruling in the Idaho Supreme Court regarding the press's concerns over this amended non-dissemination order. And please join us in our next episode, where we will cover what the Idaho Supreme Court ruled in the media's case regarding the amended non-dissemination order in Idaho versus Koberger. This is Kathy. That will conclude this episode. Thank you for joining us today.